So the reason we're in a cave, it looks like we're in a cave, is because, well, it's snowing.
Bad. Snowing bad.
And what sucks is yesterday it was like 80 degrees, but today it's just 20 degrees and we got another blizzard, so. We're in here today, but today we're gonna finish it because we gotta get a video out, so.
Okay, I got a question. Are we gonna weld that to the bottom of the frame or the top?
To the top.
Top?
Yeah, that way it's nice and low. Because if we do it at the top, I think chances are it's gonna be too high up. Well, not that much high up, but chances are it's gonna be a little high up. You know what we should do? We should do like a competition. Every time you cuss, put $1 in a jar.
All right, I'm down.
Every time I cuss.
Ready? I just won't talk anymore.
Freak!
Okay, we'll be back after we're done. Might take it.
It's killing me right now. I'm not thinking because I have a hat on. Okay, let's try it now.
Look, it's perfect without even trying now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, on the other one, what we did, here, let me take this off. I seriously don't know what it is for. I'm not gonna, this little ball thing was in here and it wouldn't let me. Every time I'd put it in, it'd be cockeyed.
So that little ball right there. All right, I'm gonna take it off.
Wear gloves. You gotta be safe. Right, safe. And look at that. It's gonna go in like with no problems. Watch.
We're gonna find out what that little ball is for. And it's gonna cause the biggest problem.
Yeah, if anybody knows what this is for, let us know.
Yeah, let us know, because both of them had it, so it wasn't like it was defective.
Yeah.
The other one was grinded down though. Okay, so now we're done with this.
Now we're done with that. Now we're gonna struggle over here. Broke off. Look at that.
Support.
I think we were better off doing it like this. A little bit wider. Okay, we'll figure it out. You got it. You see the beautiful weather we're working in?
Oh man, your truck is caked.
Remember that bolt that we were missing?
Oh yeah, I left it in this. We left it in the center compartment.
Did I lose it?
I think you.
No.
Dude, hey.
That's the first thing you told me.
It has to be in there. There's no way.
Yeah.
So we found the bolt we're looking for. Good news. Bad news is we lost the keeper.
Well,
It's always something.
it was.
I'm trying to think because we went to go to Ace to get the.
No, it had to. It has to be outside, but with the condition right now.
So in the meantime, while we don't have the missing part, we're just gonna put this together. And then weld on the. I don't think we took that piece in the truck though.
No, we didn't. I know it's outside. It's just the right word is misplaced. There you go.
We'll find out when the snow clears up. We might not put the exhaust on this one, but we're definitely gonna make another trike.
Yeah, I feel like this one's just like we'll even reuse all these parts.
Yeah, but I feel like this is a.
Kind of just to teach us how.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah, but do you really want to use one of your tools?
Oh. Oh, it fits.
Are you gonna really use it?
I am gonna use that.
Really?
Look at that.
Yeah, I know it fits, but you're gonna need this.
No, I won't. Look at that.
Wow.
Dude, look. It's not
Sturdy.
It's sturdy. Heck yeah. Or do you rather buy another one? I know. Not a hack job though. This is a miracle.
Yeah, that or it's called working smart.
I don't know, but it's a miracle. In order to make this fit, we're gonna have to use our new keeper to open it up. You gotta use the keeper as a tool first.
I guess if this works, we can use it for now until the snow clears up and we find the other one.
It doesn't want to fit on this one. That's weird. It fits on here though. Look at that. Perfect. I'm probably just gonna go get one. Ah! Unless we use one of these.
I mean, yeah, you could, but...
Oh, there you go. Well, we are defeated for now. Until we get one.
This trike has officially doomed us.
It's not gonna do us. It's just...
Oh, it's just the spacer. Out of all the problems we could be having,
just that.
I'm not gonna complain, but it is a spacer taking us. What does HOV stand for? I mean OHV.
Where?
Right there. VTech Honda?
Can't believe this weather, dude.
Dude, the one day, man.
I know.
Like, you can't grip tools right. You can't. It's so hard to work in the cold. Although we have the garage closed, it's still freezing in here.
I think you know which one was worse, that first video we did.
Yeah.
That was real nice. I think we can lift it up. Can we lift that side up? Okay, now that one. Oh, forgot you're filming. I feel like right there should be fine. Oh my god.
What?
It just looks weird, dude. I mean, good in a good way, you know? Okay, now we take out the depth measure. Perfect. 9.5. Oh, now the fun part. I don't know why they didn't do this instead of freaking being there in the cold.
For now, it'll be one wheel.
Yeah, for now it's just gonna be that one wheel turning it.
Going donuts.
Oh, dude!
There it is.
Is that one piece? Oh my god, wait.
We're missing the one piece, the
cutter.
The cutter. The what?
Whatever it's called.
Whatever it's called. But either way, we weren't going to be able to finish it because it's snowing outside, and now that it's all welded together, we can't keep the motor outside or it's ruined. So, and we can't keep this in the garage because it's literally the size of a car now. So now we got this welded, the axle welder. We're going to weld the front of the bike.
Hold it right
What
there.
if I hold it?
Yeah, just hold it like that.
I was wondering, what what, that John Deere ain't that special? Dude, I was gonna ask you, like, dude, are you not gonna put the helmet on? But I was like, nah, you'll put it. Thank God I didn't ask. You should have seen the little hat. You went so hard. I was like, what the hell is he doing?
Well, this is what I was trying to do like this. You just saw my head on
I thought you were having a seizure. Man, this bike's come a long way.
Oh my gosh. No way, dude. Damn. Then we said we were gonna cut these, huh?
Yeah.
Make a little split. We'll just give it another little weld.
We just. No, it's not a car.
No, not a car. That's not the instructions. Whoa. Perfect timing. This is the throttle. This makes it go up, down.
Perfect timing.
I know, dude. Well,
Sweet.
next video. Next video
You're
it
selling
should be
that.
done. Regardless, whether I get off at 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning.
I mean, either way, what we're gonna film is just the weather's so bad.
Yeah, the weather's just bad, man. Now we'll set this aside here, and we know it's not gonna get lost. Okay, we're going back to welding. I don't know, maybe we might make it a little sturdy. I can see
We
my
got it.
little brothers, my little brother just.
We gotta get Roman candles from Wyoming and just strap like 5 of them on while we drift. Send it.
I feel like this is gonna be like pushing down on it.
Oh, okay.
That way I know it's gonna need a little reinforcement.
That's clean.
Dude, you're good.
That was
at
perfect.
photographer. Yeah, I've been practicing, you know, just a little.
Just a little bump right there. A little would have been perfect.
Oh, it's not gonna go anywhere.
And then if we run it in front too, we can like weld it up or not bend it up or something.
Yeah, we can bend it up, dude. Yeah, we'll see if we can bend
But
it.
it works for now. It's heavy, huh?
Dude, it is heavy now. Watch out!
What do you think?
Gonna need another one from here.
Up?
Here.
Yeah.
I should have brought the bike. Well, at least it works now, though.
There it is.
If anything, we'll have a bike next time if it doesn't work. I wonder why it's not having. Oh, it's because you know these are too.
Flimsy?
Yeah, look at that. Oh, you know what? It's the shocks too. I think it's the shocks more than anything. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, because I think.
Look at that, dude.
Dude, nice.
Look at that, though. At least this is.
Dude,
holding.
that's like that holds.
See, so I don't even know if I should even take this off.
I feel like if we drift, we're taking something out though.
Leave it like up and put like a lot of fireworks and.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. I like your idea. Nah, I think it works. But it's nice. I mean, other than this freaking shock. Yeah, it's the shock, dude. Look.
That's when you know it's a shock, so.
Oh, and then we still need the. You know what, dude? I don't even think we need a. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Oh! Oh, there you go. You prefer like this? Or like this?
There we go.
There you go. I like this, huh? Look at that, right there. Look at that. I'm just a little fat. think. Here, you try it. It is perfect, huh?
Wait, where are the pegs going?
They're gonna go like somewhere right there.
Because then we say if we put them here, they're gonna hit our legs.
Yeah, no, we're gonna go out with them.
I'm telling you. It's gonna bottom out. No way it's gonna fit. No, it's way too thick.
Told you, Trike. I drifted in. We will catch you in. Where are we going?
Murdoch's.
Oh, Murdoch's!
My hands are frozen. It's so cold. It was literally 80 degrees yesterday, and today is just, what's the temperature? 26 degrees, but the wind chill doesn't help it, so it's super cold. And I can barely feel my fingers.
What the hell?
Yeah, I'm dying. I got frostbite.
Frostbite or frostbite?